All right, we're back.
We're back again.
That's right. Here we are. I'm Len.
And I'm Rene.
So you filed a claim and it was denied. Now what? Right? People ask me that all the time. Look, hey man, I filed a claim and my insurance company told me I don't. They're not going to pay it. What do we do in that case, Mr. Rene?
Yeah, then we have to make a request for a reinspection with the insurance.
Is that hard to do?
No, it's not hard, but sometimes, homeowners, they just give up and end up paying out of pocket.
So now they denied the claim. We put in for a reinspection. They send out a different adjuster, hopefully.
Yeah.
Right? And they're re-inspecting the roof. This second inspector comes out and says, guess what? You do have a claim, but it's
Yeah.
only for a repair.
For
We're not going to
explain.
replace this entire roof. And as a matter of fact, your deductible is $1,000, and I've only found $999 worth of damage.
Yeah. That's what the most insurance company doing now.
Yeah, so where do you go from there? Because when you get there, you believe that there's more damage there than what the insurance company is saying. What's the first thing you do?
When they approve for a repair, of course we have to do an attempt to repair, but we send all the documentation to the insurance.
Right, but what does that mean, attempt to repair? What are you
Attempt
talking
to
about?
repair is we basically have to do the repair,
Okay.
but we take pictures, videos, and we prove to the insurance, that roof is not repairable. That's the whole point too.
Exactly. So you go to the roof in good faith. You start trying. We send the tech out to start trying to make the repair. We document it, and the technician throws his tools down and says, "I can't repair this roof." But but in so doing, we've also recorded all the steps we've taken to try to repair the roof. And when we determine we cannot repair that roof, we submit all that documentation to the insurance company and say we made the attempt, we cannot repair this roof. Then what happens?
Most of the times they use with all the documentation, they need to put all those pictures and videos for a review, and most of the times they agree. That roof, sometimes the shingles are not in good shape to be repaired, because to repair one shingle you need to remove at least like the next shingle about the damaged shingle in order to repair it. When you lift the shingle, most of the time that you make like kind of creases on the shingle, and then you have to replace that shingle, and
It's like a domino effect.
yeah, exactly.
Right? The roof has been storm damaged. It might be a little bit older, which really should not affect your insurance claim to any degree. If storm damage is storm damage. If your roof has been damaged by an act of God, well then by golly, your insurance company should replace it, right?
Exactly.
So, but here's the thing. There's a lot of gray area out there, right? So sometimes the insurance company will use that to their advantage and say, well, it's very subjective in some cases, right?
Mhm.
So insurance companies say, well, this is old age and this isn't really storm damage, when in most cases that's complete nonsense, right?
Yeah. Okay.
So it's up to us. Well, it's up to you, number one, as a homeowner. The homeowner should be very vigilant about making sure she has a good company, like Adamson Roofing Company,
Yes, sir.
assisting them with the process. Because if that roof has been storm damaged, right, then you're entitled as a homeowner to get that replaced under your policy, and we're going to make sure that that gets done for you. So we are experts in that field. So I would say, if your insurance has denied you your claim on your roof, what's the first thing they should do?
They should call Adamson Roofing Company.
678-424-1919. And oh, by the way, please like and subscribe.
Like and subscribe.
And we'll look forward to seeing you guys here every week, same time, same channel. Thanks for watching. I'm Len.
And this is Rene.
And we will see you next time.